Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some trailblazing hair transformations. So if you are currently on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle and you're in need of some major hair inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, show it some love, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now our first transformation features someone who has a shoulder length hair. She's got this beautiful curly texture. Now her current hairstyle does feature a little bit of layers sprinkled in, mainly to frame out her face, and then she has some bangs in the front. So she's kind of having a consult here with the stylist, letting him know that she is ready to make a major hair change. So leave in the comments below, what do you think she's going to end up doing with her hair? Do you think she is going to get some color? Or do you think she is going to get a haircut? So the stylists, they give each other a high five and bam. Wow, beautiful pixie style. I love the way that her curly texture looks within this cut. It does look like she actually got a little bit of a highlighted color going there. So she actually did both. She cut her hair and she colored it. She looks absolutely unreal, amazing. Got her makeup done, everything. Wow, beautiful transformation. Simply breathtaking. Next up, we see someone also rocking out a pixie. She's got the peekaboo blonde color going there. So here is the before for this look. Her hair was a bob style. I'll be honest in saying that the pixie haircut transformations are definitely my favorites. They're just so inspiring to see. And I really like how this features a nice pop of blonde. Such a fun style idea. absolutely gorgeous. All right, you guys, so I'm going to leave you to check out the rest of these trailblazing hair transformations.